and everything is here is very, yeah, it's very, everybody is so busy. Yes, I still support this life journey. Yes, this life journey. Yeah, you remember, right? I remember this life journey. I always go there visit. Sometimes I pass by because I'm so busy because I have still continuing my. We're still continuing my construction. Yeah, I'm being busy. We have construction, and lately I don't really, but I'm still happy because sometimes they notice me and they visit me. Yeah, so yung boss niyo channel sa Indian host, yung o yung no, my channel is my uh, okay, I want to tell you. This is my second channel. I want to show you. I didn't use here. This is my second channel. Yeah. This one, Elmer. Ako ni. Ako ito. Yeah. Yeah, that's my aray second channel. Yeah. So yeah, Barry. So I hope you're doing well. Uh, you know, um, I am so happy to see you, everyone here. But once again, I have Gcash. But this is my okay because I think some of my people that where are you now? Me, I am here in the corner. It's in Philippines. I am in PH. Yeah. I want to visit in Jamaica or in Jamaica. Yeah, that's me. Oh, yeah. Oh, ako yan. Ako yan, Mel. Nawala na ang chat yan. Oh, we will definitely stay in touch. It's been a while. Yes, I know. Um, I received a blessing last night for my present for my subscriber. He I received a super sticker, super chat, and membership. Oh, I was so happy. So yeah, it's and I hope you're doing well also. Everybody is good. Yeah, because life is it's a game. Life is a game. Ah, life is a game that you can, be right back. Saing mo na ako. Sige, pagsaing ka. Yeah. Yeah, then one time when I was in my in my life, I just quit and I just lost. Because I'm so busy and I cannot stay just like I'm a ghostbuster because when you have lots of things to do, you cannot you know. But I'm still happy because people remember me and they support me. Yeah, I want to shout out to Kimi. Okay, wait a second. And I'm hoping that everyone you can support to him. I will look for it. Okay. I will post this and Brad Palmer. Hmm. Coco and Brad Palmer. Go. We have a good coming. Yeah, guys, you can. So, yeah, I tried to add another one. Yeah, I have something in my throat. I'm always coughing because sometimes my throat is, um, you know, it's not easy when you have a cough. Um, you know, yeah. Oh, my hair is so good. You should check it out with your doctor. I know it's right now. When I facing here, I was sleepy. Then after, mm, I am so tiring. Elmer, wait a second. I want to write it down first. I want to make sure that Barry, are you monetized now, Barry? I will look for you, Barry. I know, yeah. I should. I should. Oh, okay, Barry. You are including to my Gcash. Okay, Barry, you are including to my Gcash because once, for example, if you wait a second. If you are a winner, if you are a winner for my raffles in Gcash, you are allowed to receive a membership from me. Membership or super chat or super sticker, okay? Wait a second. Ayan, crispy. Ah, yan. Nakawagi mo yung. Gawin tayo yung. Oh, kapunin. Pagkay kami mo na lang yung. Oh, ina si iyong. Pwede na ako. Tansa.